Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the language in CapCut on your PC. Whether you need to switch for convenience or personal preference, we've got you covered. Let's get started. In our previous video, we showed you how to get automatic subtitles for free without CapCut Pro, so make sure to check that out too. First, open CapCut on your computer and click on Create Project. This will take you to CapCut's main interface. Next, head to the upper left corner and click on Menu. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings. Once in the settings, go to the Language tab. Here, you'll find a list of available languages. Choose the one you want. Let's use Spanish for this example. After selecting your language, click Save. CapCut will ask you to restart the program to apply the changes. Press the button to restart, and you're all set. And that's it. Now you know how to change the language in CapCut from your PC.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.